Hello, my name is Ali. I'm from class 7B. Today I'm going to present it for all of you about language, the nature of language. First, what is language? Language is the spoken, written or gesture, or is the way, communicating meaning to ourselves and others. The nature of language has the following components: grammar, function, structure, and process. First, we talk about by grammar. We mean basically system rules in any language that enable us to communicate and understand others who are using the same language. Grammar deals with phonology, syntax, and semantic. Phonology, as we know now, refers to the sound system. Syntax deals with the sentence structure, and semantic have everything to do with the main meaning the language conveys. This takes us to competence and perform, and under that we have linguistic competence and linguistic performance. By linguistic competence, we mean the mastery of linguistic rules, language tools, being able to know that what will convey what, and linguistic performance is that the ability to communicate it appropriately in a given context. Second, we talk about the function. What is the function? Function is a description of how sentences and utterance communicate. Every utterance and every sentence which is written or being spoken need to convey a particular message. So the function is what particular function that utterance or sentence perform. Third, the structure. Structure is the complete grammar of a language which has phonology, phonetics, syntax, semantic, and pragmatics. The process is the description of mental tools, materials, and products that people use to convey a particular message. So, mental tools can be performed of visual image material, can be books, textbook, or any channel that people use for delivering or conveying a particular message. Next, there are 6 specific factors that are included in a phonology element. First, what is language processing? Language processing refers to the reading, writing, speaking, listening, and memory. Second is the lexical storage and retrieval. This is why words are stored in our minds, and way that are used is how we can map words into objects such as ball and kick. Third, we have a language acquisition, that is how language is first learned and used by children. 4. We have the spatial circumstance, which is how internal and external factor can impact language development. By internal, something which is individual and external factor. And 5, we have the brain and language. This is also interesting, that it refers to evolutionary explanation of why human can use a language, and the part of the brain concerned with different areas of language, also considering whether or not human animal of the ability. Last but not least is the second language acquisition, and its use now. This is a phenomenon of bilingualism, that is how individual can learn a second language and can differ between them. So the conclusion is, to conclude linguistics into area study we saw from linguistics, that is the study of language and physiology, which is the study of behavior and mind focused upon the comprehension and the production of language. So it is not only one area that is studied, is look at the language as well as the human mind and how it collaboration with each other. Okay, that is that is what I can explain today. If I have a mistake, I'm saying sorry, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.